Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to do a shopping haul because I did groceries for the keto diet. I have a plan to do the keto diet for 3 or 4 weeks. I don't believe it's good to have it as a lifestyle, but just a reset of the carbohydrates. And yeah, I show you what I got. For the Dutch people, I went to the Yumbo and to the Lidl. I have 3 bags, so that's a lot, and it costed me 130 euros. The things that I got from the Yumbo: some organic beef broth. This is not for me, but for my boyfriend and the dog. Coconut milk and coconut powder. 2 packs of goat yogurt. A lot of seeds. Here I have sunflower seeds, hemp seed, pumpkin seeds and chia seeds. And here a jar of organic coconut oil. And 3 packs of 85% chocolate. I actually wanted 99%, but the supermarket did not have it. So the highest percentage were 85. So now we're going to the Lidl. Cauliflower, 2 eggplants, 3 packs of tuna, beef for boyfriend and the dog, and shrimps I do eat. Then I have here a lot of nuts, 2 packs of macadamia, 3 packs of Brazil nuts, 2 packs of cashew nuts and 1 pack of mixed nuts. Then I have here 3 packs of frozen red fruits, raspberries, strawberries and a pack of mixed red fruits. And here I have a pack of frozen spinach, 2 packs of eggs, bottle of olive oil, almond drink, ginger, goat cheese, fresh spinach, 2 cucumbers, bell peppers, 3 packs of mushrooms, a big pack of blueberries, olives. These are really nice for snacking. A lot of avocados, bok choy, and the last thing is asparagus. So this was it. With the next video I will show you what kind of recipes I will make with these ingredients. So I hope you like this video, give the thumbs up and subscribe underneath, and I see you the next time. Bye bye!